Oi everybody, Juliana here. Today we are making my two incredible hamburger recipes, as well as showing you how to make the most delicious burger buns as part of my Make It at Home series.
For a great burger, it's about the perfect combination of cuts for your patty, but it's also about the softness of your buns, the dynamics of your sauces, and the freshness of your toppings.
One is the classic burger and the other one is the Truffle Burger.
Talking so much about the combination of cuts, today's Portuguese word of the day is carne moída, which in English means ground beef.
If you like food recipes with fresh and quality ingredients, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. Let's get started!
Let's start by making our incredible buns. We will be using the thumbs-on method, which is an Asian technique for making extremely soft bread. It also makes the bread stay fresher longer. So, for the thumbs-on, add to a medium or small pot a quarter cup or 45 grams of water, a quarter cup or 60 grams of milk, 23 grams or 3 tablespoons of bread flour. Cook over medium heat, whisking constantly until it gets thick, about 1 minute. Let it cool down completely. For the dough, add to your mixing bowl 440 grams or 3.5 cups of bread flour, 50 grams or 3 tablespoons of sugar, 80 grams or 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. Give a little mix and add 18 grams or 3 teaspoons of salt. You can turn on the mixer over low speed. Beat together 1 egg and 1 yolk. And add a 3/4 cup or 175 grams of milk and your thumbs-on. And add the eggs. Cut in cubes 60 grams or 4 tablespoons of butter. When you see the dough start to form, add the butter. Add the butter gradually until it's all incorporated. You can bring the speed to medium and mix the dough until it comes off the bowl. Add the dough to a bowl with some oil, making a ball. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it prove for 1 hour or until it doubles in size. When it's ready, press the dough to get all the air out and place the dough over a floured surface. Cut the dough in 8 to 9 equal pieces, about 95 to 100 grams. Shape the dough, getting the edges to the center, and roll it, making balls. Place it then on a baking tray with parchment paper and let them prove again for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Brush the buns with some egg wash, 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of milk. Bake the buns for 20 minutes until you see the beautiful golden brown color on the top. Brush some melted butter after baked. For the classic burger sauce, add to a bowl 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of ketchup, half a teaspoon of mustard Dijon, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of caramelized onions, and 1 teaspoon of pickles cut in cubes. For the caramelized onions, you need to cook a medium-sized onion with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, some salt and pepper, and a half a tablespoon of butter. Start cooking it on high heat, and when the onions is sweating, bring the heat down to low and cook them until you get this brown color. Whisk well until well combined. For the truffle mayo, add to a bowl 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of truffle oil, and 1 teaspoon of truffle sauce. Whisk well until combined. For a great beef patty, the best combination is ground sirloin, short rib, and brisket. Mix them all together and make your beef patties around 150 grams, depends how thick you like them. I will cook one nice and thick for the classic and a thinner patty for the truffle. Season your burger patties very well with salt and pepper. If you want to make it even better, season them the day before and keep them in the fridge. For cooking, remove them from the fridge about 30 minutes before. For my classic, I'm using the classic burger sauce, a good slice of tomato, onion rings which I will grill, medium cheddar cheese, lettuce, our fresh homemade buns with some butter. Season the onions and tomato with some olive oil, salt and pepper. At first I will be cooking on the grill. Over medium heat, add some oil. Toast the buns for a nice crisp and grill the onions until you get char marks. Put the beef patty on the grill over medium to high heat and let it cook. Don't touch it. Cook 3 to 4 minutes each side approximately. Brush the patty with some butter. Turn it and add the cheese on top. Add your burger mayo on both sides of your bun. Break down the lettuce, removing the stalks. Add a slice of tomato, more mayo, and then add the beef patty, the grilled onion on top, more mayo, and more bun. For the truffle burger, I'm using the truffle mayo, caramelized onions, and medium cheddar cheese. For this one, you can cook over a normal saucepan. It will be almost the same. You just need to press down the patties. And I'm making 2 because I just love truffle flavor. For the truffle burger, add the mayo, caramelized onions, beef patty, and 1 more layer of caramelized onions. More truffle mayo, more bun, and done! So everybody, these are 2 incredible burgers and buns made at home. They really are crazy delicious. The buns are so soft, the patty is super juicy, and the sauces you could eat with a spoon.
So everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.